Hello everybody, this is Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations. This is lightly battered deep fried cod with wasabi mayo. Let me show you how it's done. It's super easy. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Okay, my pan of oil here is coming up to temperature. I've got about a cup or so of sifted flour. I've added about a tablespoon or so of black pepper. Just mixing it up. Add about the same or so of salt, kosher salt. And do the same. Get that all mixed up and get ready for our cod. Okay, our cod's been patted dry and I'm just gonna dredge it in that and get it fully coated and get it ready to put in the oil there. But you see it's just lightly coated. Don't need any other added stuff, just salt, pepper, sifted flour, and get it coated on all sides. And it's ready to go. And we'll shake it off before we put it in to the hot oil. So you can see I took the cod here and just roll it around in the mixture like so. Get it lightly coated. And it's ready to go into our heated oil. Okay, so my oil is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and get a piece in here. Gonna let it go for about 5 minutes or so till golden brown. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Gonna go ahead and take it out. Let it chill on my cooling rack. And go in with my next piece. Okay, I'm gonna pull my last piece out. And it was closer to 6 minutes for each one. But we'll let them cool and then we'll plate them up. Okay, here's our cod. And over here I've got a nice plate of wasabi mayo. So we'll just plate these up like so. Something like that. And there it is. Deep fried, lightly battered cod and wasabi mayo.